Today we continue with the C# course. You will learn how to define variables, request input from the user, and associate that input with a variable. Create a new project. We will create a console application. If you need assistance for creating new project, check my previous video. In order for a C# program to execute, the class in which it is located must contain a special method called main. This is the method from where the program starts executing. A class can contain multiple methods, and we will see such examples soon. The main method will not return any value to the operating system, so we describe it as void. Let's create a C# program that requests a name from the user and then prints it on the console. We need a variable in which we will store the user's input. The body of the main method begins with the declaration of a string-type variable. A variable is a piece of computer memory in which some value can be stored. The variable has its own name and type. In this example, our variable will be named name. In all languages that stem from the C programming language, a variable is declared as follows: data type list of names. So, the declaration string name means that we have notified the compiler that we will have a string-type variable named name. After this declaration, the computer will reserve space in memory for a variable called name into which a string of letters can be fitted. Let's continue. Console.WriteLine. This method print values or texts to the console. What is your name? This is the text that will be displayed in the console application. Name equals console.readline. The input entered by the user is then stored in the string variable named name. Console.WriteLine. After the word hello, we leave a place for the entered name. We achieve this using an index in curly brackets. The index will have a value of 0. At that index place we will write the value of variable name. Declaration implies introducing the name of a new variable and associating the type. In the previous example, the declaration was the line string name. By this, we declared a variable named name. And it would be of type string, so that text will be stored in it. Then, there was an assignment command in which the text that the user entered from the keyboard was written into that variable. We could shorten the program by performing the declaration and assignment of value in one line. The initial assignment of a value to a variable is called initialization. Let's save the project. Let's run it by clicking the Start button. We are asked to enter a name. I'll enter your digital friend. Press Enter. We got a message, "Hello, your digital friend." This was just an initial example. In the next video tutorial, we will cover the available data types in this programming language. Until then, practice and subscribe to the channel.